Maybe you can get those sharp ones out of the way. Like this one.
Or just stack it.
I think maybe a couple of these. Just anything that's sharp. I think that's okay. Maybe we can move that one standing up or something. Just give me a little more room to get the truck through here. You want me to get that other one, or you got it? I think we're probably good.